awesome friends! Now more than ever, home is where we are spending most of the time. For sure, we want comfort food and tasty desserts at home during this quarantine time. One of my favorite desserts is macaron because they are amazingly sweet and delicious. Baking macarons are a little tricky to get them looking perfect, but those challenges make a perfect project to tackle while I'm staying at home.
Originally, macaron didn't look like sandwich cookies at first. From the legend of macaron in the era of French Revolution. Everything was so expensive and so people need to survive with almonds, sugar, and egg white, which were not expensive and nutritious. A missionary from Italy, whom living in France, tried to mix all of them together and bake it in the oven, so macaron was born. First, it had a shape of small flying saucer, but later there's people put two pieces macaron together and fill with cream. Today, I'm teaching you how to make macarons at home. The overall idea of macaron is pretty simple. It's really just egg whites, sugar, almond flour, and powdered sugar. First, you need to whip your egg whites and sugar into meringue. Then you need to put the almond flour and powdered sugar into your meringue and gently fold it with a spatula. After that, transfer to piping bag and pipe your batter into circles. Let piped batter to dry out for 45 minutes and bake them at 300 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Allow them to cool, then fill with your favorite fillings. I like to bake macaron. Macarons can be a little hard to make them perfect, but even if you don't get it right, the cookies will still taste great. Let's get baking and enjoy macarons.